Hey guys, it's Shaan and today I'm going to be reviewing the JBL E65BTNC. But before we go ahead and get started, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications to see exactly when I post a new video. But other than that, let's get started. So taking a look at the JBL by Harman Kardon E65 Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones. It looks really nice. To the front we see it says Bluetooth active noise cancellation. To the side it shows you the in control menus for the actual headphone jack, but like I said, it is wireless. It has active noise cancellation and the battery will vary. While it's on, it's only 15 hours, and when it's off, it lasts up to 24 hours. And this is because it's always using the microphones to determine whenever it should actually try to cancel out noise and what is the environment around. Now, opening up the box, the first thing you get are the headphones. Underneath the little plastic, you get the case and also another box. For the case itself, it says JBL. It's pretty large. It fits the whole headphone in it, and the inside is nice and soft, so you can rest assured that your headphones will not get scratched. Now, inside the other box, in the box, comes a quick start guide, a headphone jack with the controls, and also a nice bright orange micro USB cable to charge up the device. Taking a look at the headphones, it does snap out and folds in. It says JBL towards the sides and the top. And on one cup it has the charging port. Towards the other side it has a Bluetooth and headphone jack, the pause, volume up, volume down buttons, and the power switch. What is quite surprising, as you switch it up to turn it on and off, and again up to turn it on and off again. But the only thing is, when you want to connect another Bluetooth device, you actually have to hold the Bluetooth button, and then there's also a noise canceling button right beside the Bluetooth button if you want to turn it on and off when you turn on the device. Now, the device itself does actually open up more just in case for different sizes on both sides, so it can fit many different types of people. And once again, it does fold in and also snaps inside, what is very good for traveling, and definitely would recommend something like this just to walk around in any sort of traveling situation. Now, for sound quality, it actually sounds really nice, and you can expect this from a JBL headphone, especially at this price range. And for the active noise cancellation, it works really well. It was actually the first time I tried active noise canceling headphones, and you could really tell the difference. Like, no matter what, you won't be able to hear what's going outside. So that's why you always have to be cautious if you're walking around outside or traveling. Other than that, inside home situations or any loud scenarios, it's really good. But walking around, there is that cautious little thing where you cannot hear anybody else. What is definitely a great job it's doing. The sound quality is amazing. So if you are looking for any noise cancelling headphones, I would definitely recommend the JBL E65 Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you go ahead and share it with your family and friends. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications, as always, to see exactly when I post a new video. Other than that, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.